Okay. The cranial nerves and the exit points from the skull. Cranial nerve 1 is the olfactory. Cranial nerve 2 is the optic. Cranial nerve 3 is the oculomotor. Cranial nerve 4 is the trochlear. Cranial nerve 1 is the ophthalmic. Cranial nerve trigeminal 2 is the maxillary. Cranial nerve trigeminal 3 is the mandibulary. Then you have the abducens. Then you have the facial nerve, the vestibulocochlear, the glossopharyngeal, the vagus, the accessory, and hypoglossal. Now, the acronym I use to remember the exit points is Rastaman. Carlos only smokes spliffs since Rastaman offered skunks in Ari, Jamaica. Jamaica joint heaven. Now, the optic canal, the olfactory nerve passes through the cribriform plate. The optic nerve passes through the optic canal. The oculomotor passes through the supraorbital fissure. The trochlear passes through the supraorbital fissure. The ophthalmic passes through the supraorbital fissure. The maxillary division of the trigeminal passes through the foramen rentodum. The mandibular division of the trigeminal passes through the foramen ova. The abducens passes through the spinoceum. The facial passes through the internal acoustic meatus. The vestibulocochlear passes through the internal acoustic meatus. The glossopharyngeal passes through the jugular foramen. The vagus, the jugular foramen. The accessory jugular foramen, and the hypoglossal canal.